Hello, everyone. My name is Daniela Cantera, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you would like to read any more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com or you can click the link in our description below. With growing concerns about an all-out war in the Middle East, all eyes are on domestic oil and gas producers here in the U.S. The Middle East might be home to the world's largest oil reserves, but geopolitical issues have put the spotlight back on safer, more reliable domestic sources like Western Midstream Partners LP, traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol WES. John?
Yeah, thanks, Daniela. Yeah, Western Midstream Partners is involved in gathering, compression, treating, processing, and transporting natural gas, gathers, stabilizes, and transports condensate, natural gas liquids or NGLs, crude oil, and gathers and disposes of produced water. Core assets provide midstream services for customers in some of the most active and productive basins in the United States. And this includes the Delaware Basin in West Texas and New Mexico, the DJ Basin in northeastern Colorado, and the Powder River Basin in northeast Wyoming. While energy prices can be volatile, 95% of its gas contracts are fee-based and 100% of its liquid contracts are fee-based. This provides Western Midstream Partners with direct commodity exposure protection.
And Western Midstream reported another successful quarter?
Yeah, for the first quarter ended March 31st, 2025, Western Midstream reported net income of $301.8 million, or 79 cents per share, generating first quarter adjusted EBITDA of $593.6 million. Now, first quarter cash flows provided by operating activities came in at $530.8 million, with first quarter cash flow of a little more than $399 million. During the quarter, the company gathered record natural gas throughput in the Delaware Basin of 2.0 billion cubic feet per day. Now, looking forward, it also completed the startup of its North Loving natural gas processing plant in February. Now, this increases Western Midstream's operated natural gas processing capacity by 250 million cubic feet per day to approximately 2.2 billion cubic feet per day, the West Texas complex. On the fundamentals front, it retired $664 million of senior notes in January of 2025 with available cash on hand.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you can also sign up for a free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can also find the link to our website in the description below. And now back to the video. And on the passive income front, it increases quarterly distribution to 0.91 cents per unit.
Yeah, now dating back to 2008, Western Midstream has a pretty long history of paying a reliable distribution. It's also been increasing its annual payout to 5 consecutive years and counting. The steady stream of income is due in large part to, as noted earlier, its 95% fee-based gas contracts and 100% fee-based liquid contracts, which provides Western Midstream with both direct exposure protection and predictable income. Most recently, it increased its first quarter distribution by 4% on an annual basis to roughly 91 cents per unit or $3.64 per unit on an annual basis, for a forward dividend yield of 9.55%.
And WES stock is closing in on record highs?
Yeah, strong financial results helped WES stock hit a record high of $41.37 per unit on January 22nd, I think it was. It continues to trade near that level until early April. And that's when President Trump unveiled his global tariffs. Fears of what a global trade war could do to the economy and demand for oil and gas sent WES stock and the broader market tumbling. WES stock has been clawing itself back since then and is currently, as of this recording, trading at $38.11 per unit. This puts it up 4% year to date and 10% on an annual basis. Despite the solid gains, Wall Street thinks WES units will hit fresh highs over the coming quarters, with analysts providing a 12-month share price forecast range of $40.17 to $45 per unit.
Thanks, John, for your insights. Western Midstream Partners LP is a great energy company with a strong balance sheet, reporting solid financial results. It has paid a reliable dividend since 2008 and recently increased its annual payout by 4%. Currently trading near record highs, Wall Street remains bullish on WES units and expect the stock to hit record levels over the next 12 months. That's good news for common unit holders and the 325 institutions that hold 84% of all outstanding shares. 3 of the biggest holders include Alps Advisors, Blackstone, and Goldman Sachs Group. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com to get a free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. Or you can find the link to our website in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.